What's up, guys? It's Jeramie Lou Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's just a quick little video. I am not going to be live streaming until the end of the year or beginning of next year. Kind of playing with YouTube, playing with the software that I'm using. I've been doing a lot of research and actually found something a little bit better that's coming out, but it's not out yet. So I've decided, instead of putting out choppy live streams, I've decided that I'm going to still film my videos. I'm still going to post everything. I'm still going to do your critiques, but everything's going to be recorded until the beginning of the year. I'm going to revamp everything. I'll be teaching some workshops at a different location. So I'm going to live stream a lot of my daily activity for you guys, because the live stream system that I have, I can take with me, which is awesome. So for now, we're not going to live stream. But I will be recording, like I said. If you guys have anything that you need or want me to review or show or critique, I'm still here for you guys. We're going to revamp and maybe create a schedule for our live stream in the future at the beginning of the year with some days that I'm actually working and editing, and I can actually film everywhere that I am, do some live unboxings, some editing, and I want to know what you guys want to see from me. Do you like the live Lightroom while I'm editing and playing? Or do you prefer for me to actually focus with you guys, sit and chat? Because that's what I feel that I'm lacking. I feel like while I'm working and live streaming, I'm not giving you guys the attention that you need. So let me know what you guys think, and I'm happy to do that. Super short video. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am still here. I am still here. I will not leave you guys. If you're new to the channel, you're finding me for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell for new updates that are coming out from me. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys later.